Rachel Louise just with the ABC 15 political team. It's looking like with a rare unanimous vote in the U.S. Senate, restaurants like this one serving food like this are going to be likely impacted by a plan to make sure there's no taxes on tips. Gigi does it all. She serves, she busses, and she manages. It's all part of the daily grind at Thai Recipe Bistro to make sure her customers get treated the way she'd want to be treated.
When you have good experience, you're gonna think of us.
She estimates about 90% of her waiters' paychecks come down to tips.
That's the main part of their income right now.
And right now, those tips are taxed both on a state level and a federal level. But if one bill gaining momentum makes it to President Donald Trump's desk, workers could deduct on their federal taxes up to $25,000 in cash tips.
Because when I get to office, we are going to not charge taxes on tips, people making tips.
Trump ran on a promise to get rid of taxes on tips, but while the plan is popular with many workers and federal politicians, others warn it could serve up some unintended consequences. Chamber President and CEO Danny Seiden is in the business of boosting business in Arizona, but he says this plan could lead to a $31 million loss in tax revenue for the state at a time when it's not exactly flush with cash.
If it's just benefiting one segment of society, that's concerning. We'd rather see it again more broad-based.
He worries the tax carve-out is too specific. It could only worsen tip fatigue, and it could lead to those workers losing access to certain government programs.
A lot of our, tip workers tend to be more on the low wage side. And when you're in low wage, you have access to different types of programs. You have an earned income tax credit, you have child tax credits, and you run the risk of how you qualify for those programs.
For Gigi, she feels that extra boost to her workers is worth it.
That sort of income can help them with their life.
Rachel Louise, just ABC 15, Arizona.